Okay, so this here is a Google Pixel 7, and what I have is the quad lock motorcycle case. I ordered this about a year ago, so that would be, 2023, 2024, and I've had the case on the device for almost a year now. The screen protector, it's just a generic aftermarket one. It was a few dollars on Amazon. I didn't go with any of the quad lock options, but for the case, I went with the quad lock case, and I actually have an unboxing on my channel in a previous video. So one day I was going about 40 on my motorcycle. I had my phone in my pockets, but I was wearing some sweatpants and it slid out and took a tumble. So obviously, sitting on the motorcycle, the FZ6 in my case, to the ground, that's only about, let's say 3 to 4 feet tops. But however, I was going 40 miles an hour. I didn't see the device fall out. I actually had to go home and use the Find My Device feature to find the phone laying in the road. And we can see that here, stinged up a little bit here. There's some damage here on the case. I wouldn't say damage, but some impact points where it looks like it hit some gravel. This corner's fine, and this one looks like it took most of the wear and tear, but it's really not that bad. And then on the device itself, I'm not sure how this happened. Maybe it was a different instant, but I did get a scrape across my camera as well as, some paint chip on the aluminum case or whatever it's made out of. But then on the device itself, in really good shape for what it is. So, I didn't expect to get the device back. The screen protector is cracked, but the screen underneath, it's untouched. It's in perfect condition. It works completely. Everything is fine there. However, on the back, I actually didn't notice this till later, but on that hard impact point, we can see the glass actually spiderwebbed here. So on the initial point of impact, it did shatter here and then just send, a line up, but the device works 100%. I've also dropped this phone in a full mud puddle that was about a foot of water deep with the quad lock case on, and the phone was fine. The only thing I found is the headphone jack had some dirt in it, and I just had to clean it out. But this case has been awesome. No damage. I've used it every day. I used to commute about 100 miles daily, and I would drive my motorcycle. I think I put 12,000 miles on it last year, so I've used this and taken it on and off every single day, traveled in freezing cold weather where it's nearly 30 to 40 degrees, as well as hot summer days where it's almost 109 outside and you're sweating. As you can see here, the phone did shatter, but personally I feel the damage could be a lot worse. Even if you scratch this surface with your fingernail, it's not, crumpling apart. It's been like this for a year and I still use the device every day. So now I'm recording on my Pixel 7, but with that being said, I actually just got a Pixel 8 recently, and it's a, it's slightly used device, but it's in near perfect condition. Not a scratch, no cracks, fully functional, unlocked, everything like that. And so what I did is I went to quadlock.com directly and I ordered another case. So the packaging, it came in just a standard, padded envelope, just the case. It arrived fine. It took about 5 to 7 days. I live here in the US, Utah. And here's the invoice from Quadlock. As we can see, it just has the product code if you're interested in that, and it's for the Pixel 8 Pro that I upgraded to. Here I've just cut out my personal information. And then another thing too is sometimes they have coupon codes. If you just, look up Quadlock coupon codes and then apply as many as you can at checkout, I was able to get about 5 to 10% off my order, and so that was nice. And this here is the packaging. So it's called the Mag Case Pixel 8 Pro, compatible with Quadlock. There's a little pull tab right here. Let's go ahead and open that up. And then since I still do ride, I wouldn't say every day, but still do ride my motorcycle a lot when it's warm out. So we got the brand new case that looks good. Looks just about the same as the other. We have the embedded, ring around it. And then it's basically the same design. It has, the speaker ports, the USB-C charging port, little window for all your cameras and wide angles. Same, quick detach and attach method. And then just looking at the devices side by side, it's almost the same exact design. I don't notice any major differences. So in honor of my new phone, as it arriving, let's go ahead and just install this and let's get back into the action. There. It's a nice snug fit, and it's basically exactly what I had. The first thing I notice is the buttons don't stand out as much. I don't think that'll be an issue. I like this one just because, they do bulge out quite a bit, making it easy to use with gloves. not giant gloves, but if you have thinner, summertime gloves, you can still use the phone or at least press the power button to check the time. And then with here, those are a slightly different color, but that doesn't matter too much. Like I said, the same design is used throughout. So let's hope this one holds up just as well.